Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, the podcast where we dive deep into the latest AI trends. Join us as we explore groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From ChatGPT to the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind, we will keep you updated on the ever-evolving AI landscape. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of AI with us. In today's episode, we'll cover free platforms and libraries for quantum machine learning, Harvard's popular coding course being taught by an AI teacher, OpenAI's SuperAlignment project, Python NLP libraries, OpenAI's vision of AI's potential impact on humanity, AI's role in climate research, the Grammys' recognition of AI-created music, Google's Help Me Write AI for Gmail, the copyright crisis in generative AI in games, the rise of AI cheating in academics, Japan's focus on AI education, and the availability of the Wondercraft AI platform and AI Unraveled podcast. So let's talk about platforms and libraries for quantum machine learning. Quantum computing is a game changer in terms of speed and has the potential to solve problems that classical computers struggle with. At the intersection of quantum computing and machine learning is quantum machine learning, or QML. In recent years, various libraries and platforms have emerged to make it easier to develop QML algorithms and applications. Let's take a look at some of the popular ones. First up, we have TensorFlow Quantum, TFQ, a library created by Google. TFQ allows you to build quantum machine learning models using TensorFlow. It provides a high-level interface for constructing quantum circuits and seamlessly integrating them into classical machine learning models. Next is PennyLane, an open-source software library that simplifies the process of building and training quantum machine learning models. PennyLane offers an interface that works with different quantum hardware and simulators, making it easier for researchers to test their algorithms on various platforms. Then there's Qiskit Machine Learning, an extension of Qiskit, an open-source framework for programming quantum computers. Qiskit Machine Learning adds quantum machine learning algorithms to the toolkit. It even includes classical machine learning models that can be trained on quantum data. PyQuil, developed by Rigetti Computing, is another library for quantum programming in Python. It provides a user-friendly interface for constructing and simulating quantum circuits, allowing for the creation of hybrid quantum classical models for machine learning. PyQuil is part of the Forest suite, which also includes other tools for quantum programming and a cloud-based platform for running quantum simulations and experiments. Lastly, we have IBM Q Experience, a cloud-based platform for programming and running quantum circuits on IBM's quantum computers. It offers a range of tools for building and testing quantum algorithms, including quantum machine learning algorithms. These are just a few examples of the platforms and libraries available for quantum machine learning. With the continual growth of this field, we can expect to see even more tools and platforms emerge to support research in this exciting area. So get this, guys. Harvard University is shaking things up a bit with their Intro to Coding class, CS50. Starting this fall, they're handing over the reins to an AI teacher. Yep, you heard that right. No need to rub your eyes. Harvard's not going broke and resorting to robot teachers, although that would be pretty hilarious. They actually believe that AI can bring a unique personal touch to the learning experience. David Malin, who's a big shot prof over at CS50, spilled the beans to the Harvard Crimson. He's really optimistic that AI can help students learn at their own pace, all day, every day. To make this happen, they're testing out the latest AI models, like GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. These models aren't perfect at coding, but CS50 is all about exploring new software possibilities. Now, CS50 is already a big deal, especially on EDX, an online learning platform co-founded by MIT and Harvard. It got sold for a whopping $800 million last year, in case you didn't know. So, Harvard's move to an AI teacher is definitely turning heads. Malin did admit that the AI might make some mistakes at first. Let's cut the computer some slack. It's a learning process. But here's the exciting part. The staff will have more time to interact with students directly. They want to create a real sense of teamwork instead of just lecturing. But here's the thing, this whole AI teaching thing is pretty new. Even Milan himself said that students should be cautious about blindly accepting everything they learn from the AI. It's definitely a wild ride we're embarking on here. And in other news, Bill Gates, the tech visionary himself, believes that AI will be teaching kids to read in less than 2 years. Some think it's a bit too much, too fast. But hey, maybe this is just the way things are going. Only time will tell. Source: Futurism. Hey there! OpenAI just dropped some exciting news. They've introduced a project called SuperAlignment. According to them, superintelligence is going to be the most impactful technology we've ever created. Big stuff. So, what's SuperAlignment all about? Well, OpenAI wants to align superintelligent AI systems with human intent. That's a pretty tough task, considering our current inability to supervise AI systems smarter than humans. But the team isn't backing down. They're focusing on developing scalable training methods, testing the resulting models, and really making sure they've got everything aligned. Who's leading the charge? It's a dynamic duo. Ilya Sutskever, OpenAI's co-founder and chief scientist, and John Leake, head of alignment. They're dedicating a whopping 20% of OpenAI's compute resources over the next 4 years to solve this superintelligence alignment issue. That's some serious commitment right there. Of course, they're looking for talented people to join their team. OpenAI is seeking outstanding ML researchers and engineers. It doesn't matter if you're not currently working on alignment, they still want you to apply. So if you've got what it takes, check out their research engineer, research scientist, and research manager applications. The future looks bright, my friend. OpenAI will keep us in the loop with the outcomes of their research. They also believe in the importance of considering human and societal concerns, so they're consulting experts to ensure their technical solutions are on point. That's the scoop straight from OpenAI. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates. In the world of data science, natural language processing, NLP, plays a crucial role. Its goal is to empower machines to decipher and analyze human language, including the emotions embedded within, to enhance and facilitate meaningful interactions. To accomplish this, NLP relies on various libraries that offer useful features. Two prominent Python-based NLP libraries are NLTK and Spacey. These libraries enable us to convert free text into structured features, making it easier to work with. However, they are not the only libraries available. Other notable options include GenSim, TextBlob, PinLPI, CoreNLP, and many more. Each of these libraries has its own unique functionality and approach. Depending on your specific requirements, you can employ various NLP operations using these libraries. Both NLTK and Spacey offer a range of methods that cater to different needs, allowing you to leverage their capabilities effectively. In conclusion, NLP libraries like NLTK and Spacey have greatly expanded the possibilities of natural language understanding and processing. Their functions and features enable us to work with unstructured text more effectively, providing a solid foundation for practical applications across various industries. According to OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to create both incredibly positive outcomes and devastating consequences. Altman envisions the best-case scenario for AI as one that is difficult to imagine due to its extraordinary potential. It could lead to an abundance of unimaginable proportions and significantly enhance our reality. AI has the power to help us live our best lives, although sometimes it may sound too good to be true. On the other hand, Altman's worst-case scenario for AI is described as a catastrophic event that could result in lights out for all. If AI is misused, the consequences could be disastrous. Altman emphasizes the importance of prioritizing AI safety and alignment. He believes that more efforts must be put into ensuring that AI is used responsibly and that potential hazards are minimized. One specific concern highlighted by Altman is the potential misuse of ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI. While ChatGPT has numerous benefits, such as improving online conversations, it also raises concerns about scams, misinformation, cyber attacks, and plagiarism. Altman acknowledges these concerns and empathizes with those who fear the negative impact of AI. In recent discussions, Altman has expressed apprehension regarding the potential negative consequences of launching ChatGPT. He acknowledges the possibility of having unknowingly done something harmful by introducing this technology. Despite the risks, Altman strongly believes that AI will greatly enhance people's quality of life. However, he stresses the necessity of regulation to ensure responsible development and management of AI. Source: Business Insiders. Hey there. So I came across this interesting article discussing the paradox of predicting AI and how unpredictability can actually be a measure of intelligence. According to Toyama, if something is truly intelligent, it should be unpredictable and therefore uninterpretable. It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? But let's shift our focus a bit and talk about AI's role in climate research. Recently, NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, made an exciting announcement during the Berlin Summit for the Earth Virtualization Engines initiative. He emphasized the importance of AI and accelerated computing in driving breakthroughs in climate research. Huang outlined 3 miracles that are crucial to this endeavor. Firstly, the ability to simulate climate at high speed and resolution. Secondly, the capacity to pre-compute enormous amounts of data. And lastly, the capability to interactively visualize this data using NVIDIA Omniverse. Through the Earth Virtualization Engines initiative, which is an international collaboration, the aim is to provide easily accessible climate information on a kilometer scale. The goal? To manage our planet sustainably. This development could have a significant impact on climate research. By harnessing the power of AI and high-performance computing, we can better understand and predict complex climate patterns. Imagine the detailed, high-resolution data that could be provided to policymakers and researchers. Now, here's a question that comes to mind. Can we really depend on the accuracy of AI models and effectively utilize the data generated? It's a crucial point to consider as we navigate the challenges of climate change. So what are your thoughts on this? Let's continue the conversation. Hey there. So here's some exciting news in the music world. The Grammy Awards, the big music awards show, has decided to shake things up a bit. They've decided to include songs created with the help of artificial intelligence, or AI, in their nominations. Starting in 2024, these AI-generated tunes will be eligible for a Grammy. But hold on, there's a catch. The AI can't take all the credit. It can't be the sole creator of the song. Nope, it has to work alongside human musicians and artists. The president of the Recording Academy, Harvey Mason, wanted to make it clear that the human element is still super important in the songwriting process. AI can assist and enhance creativity, but it can't replace it entirely. So, if AI is being used to create individual track elements without any human involvement, it won't be considered for a Grammy. The Academy wants to honor and recognize the significant contribution that humans bring to the music-making process. These changes come as part of an update to the Grammy Awards eligibility criteria. The Academy now requires human authorship for all award categories. It's an interesting move, as AI continues to play a bigger role in the music industry. We'll have to wait and see how this new criteria affects the types of music we'll be hearing at future Grammys. Exciting times ahead in the world of music and technology. Hey there, so guess what? Google has just released its new Help Me Write AI for Gmail, and it's pretty awesome. With around 1.8 billion people using Gmail, this AI is going to make a huge impact. And lucky for you, I have all the details right here. Getting early access is super simple. If you haven't signed up for Google Workspaces yet, just click on this link and select the third blue button. Remember, you need to be 18 or older and use your personal Gmail address. While you're at it, feel free to explore the other Google programs in the link too. Now, once you're in your Gmail application, all you need to do is draft a new message. And here's the exciting part. You'll see the Help Me Write button right above your keyboard. It's all about convenience, my friend. When using this AI, it's important to give clear instructions. Think of it as prompt-based writing. The AI responds to the prompts you generate, so make sure you provide clear goals. For example, you could ask it to write a professional email to your coworker requesting the monthly overview. The clearer your instructions, the better the AI will perform. And here's the best part. Once your email is created in just a few seconds, you can edit, shorten, or add anything you want, just like a regular email. It's a game changer for professionals and will save you hours each week. I've already tried it myself, and it's been out for a couple of weeks now. So I thought I'd give you a heads up. Trust me, this tool is going to revolutionize the way emails are sent. Pretty cool, right? Hope this helps. Generative AI is revolutionizing the gaming industry by empowering players to create their own stories. However, this innovative technology also brings about a potential copyright crisis. As AI tools become increasingly popular, the lines of authorship and ownership become blurred, posing significant challenges for copyright law. One notable example of generative AI in gaming is AI Dungeon, a game developed by Latitude, a company specializing in AI-generated games. AI Dungeon allows players to create unique stories by offering multiple settings and characters. The game's AI responds to player inputs, advancing the story based on their decisions and actions. While this introduces a new and exciting gaming dynamic, it also raises concerns regarding copyright infringement. The crux of the issue lies in the fact that current copyright laws only recognize humans as copyright holders, which creates confusion when AI is involved in content creation. Although AI Dungeon's end-user license agreement, EULA, grants users broad freedom to use their created content, the question of ownership remains a gray area. Moreover, there is a growing worry that generative AI systems could be considered plagiarism machines, as they have the potential to create content based on other people's work. This further complicates the matter and calls for a reevaluation of copyright norms in the gaming industry. Additionally, the ownership of user-generated content, UGC, in games has long been a topic of debate. While some games like Minecraft allow players to retain ownership of their in-game creations, many others do not. The integration of AI tools like Stable Diffusion, which generate images for AI dungeon stories, adds an extra layer of complexity to this already thorny issue. In conclusion, the rise of generative AI in games has undoubtedly sparked an imminent copyright crisis. As the boundaries between human and AI-created content blur, it is crucial for the gaming industry and lawmakers to address these challenges and establish clear guidelines concerning authorship and ownership. Failure to do so may lead to legal complications and hinder the creative potential of both players and AI technologies. So, we've got a situation here where AI cheating is on the rise, but so is the industry that detects it. It seems like AI tools, such as ChatGPT, have become pretty popular in academic settings. Students are using these tools to tackle various tasks, from college essays to high school art projects. Surveys have even shown that around 30% of university students are using AI tools for their assignments. It's definitely a trend that's posing challenges for educators and schools. But here's the interesting thing. This rise in AI cheating is actually benefiting AI detection companies. Businesses like Winston AI, Content at Scale, and Turnitin have stepped in to provide services that can detect AI-generated content. How do they do it? Well, they look for certain tells or features that distinguish AI outputs from human writings. For example, overuse of certain words like "the" could be an indication of AI authorship. AI-generated text also tends to lack the distinctive style of human writing. And another clue could be the absence of spelling errors, since AI models are known for their impeccable spelling. With the increased use of AI, the demand for AI detection services is skyrocketing. Winston AI, for instance, is already starting conversations with school district administrators. They use methods like identifying the complexity of language patterns and looking out for repeated word clusters. It's not just academia that's affected, though. Even industries like publishing are feeling the impact. So it's a bit of a cat and mouse game going on between AI cheating and AI detection. But for now, it seems like the industry detecting AI cheating is definitely keeping up with the demand. Urtopia recently unveiled its latest e-bike innovation, the Urtopia Fusion. What sets this e-bike apart is its integration of ChatGPT, which promises riders an immersive and interactive experience while on the move. Imagine cruising through the city streets, effortlessly gliding on your e-bike while engaging in conversations with ChatGPT, exploring endless topics and getting informative responses. It's like having a knowledgeable companion right there with you, making your ride not just convenient, but also intellectually stimulating. In other news, Japan's Ministry of Education has just released new guidelines emphasizing the importance of students understanding artificial intelligence, AI. These guidelines underscore the need for students to grasp both the benefits and drawbacks of AI, such as the potential for personal data leaks and copyright violations. The guidelines also shed light on how generative AI can be incorporated into schools, emphasizing the need for precautions to mitigate associated risks. They explicitly state that passing off AI-generated works as one's own is inappropriate, promoting academic integrity. The guidelines suggest that traditional exam and homework methods may need to be reevaluated, as AI technology can easily perform tasks like writing reports. Education Minister Keiko Nagaoka attended the news conference, highlighting the government's commitment to ensuring students are prepared for a future where AI plays an integral role. It's encouraging to see Japan prioritizing AI education and urging students to have a comprehensive understanding of its characteristics. By arming students with the knowledge to use AI responsibly, Japan is empowering the next generation to navigate the evolving technological landscape with wisdom and foresight. Regular updates to these guidelines will be crucial to keep pace with AI's rapid advancements. Hey there, AI Unraveled podcast listeners. I've got some exciting news for you. If you're looking to delve deeper into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence, I've got just the thing for you. Introducing AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence by Etienne Newman. This must-have book is now available on Google, Apple, and Amazon. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why should you pick up this book? Well, let me tell you. AI Unraveled is not your average read. It's packed with all the answers to your burning questions about AI. It demystifies complex concepts and presents them in a way that's easy to understand. Trust me, you won't be scratching your head in confusion after reading this engaging masterpiece. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and elevate your understanding of artificial intelligence, don't miss out on this opportunity. Grab your copy of AI Unraveled on Apple, Google, or Amazon today. It's time to unlock the secrets of AI and broaden your knowledge. Happy reading, my fellow AI enthusiasts. In today's episode, we covered a range of topics, including free platforms and libraries for quantum machine learning, Harvard's popular coding course being taught by an AI teacher, OpenAI's introduction of SuperAlignment for aligning superintelligent AI systems, Python NLP libraries, NLTK and Spacey, OpenAI CEO, Sam Altman's perspective on the benefits and consequences of artificial intelligence, AI's role in climate research and its unpredictability as a measure of intelligence, the Grammys' new policy on AI-created music nominations, Google's AI Help Me Write for Gmail users, the copyright crisis and ownership concerns surrounding generative AI in games, the rise of AI cheating in academia, and the demand for AI detection companies, Japan's Ministry of Education's emphasis on student understanding of AI and the integration of generative AI in schools, and finally, the Wondercraft AI platform for creating hyper-realistic AI voices. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.